Hi children, today we are discussing about the multiplication of property. Before class I explained about the multiplication of property. In that two properties I explained. See children, the many properties I will explain today. Properties of multiplication. Properties of multiplication. First property, yesterday we learned order property. Order property means what? When two numbers are multiplied in any order, two numbers are multiplied any order, the product it will be is same. This is the order property. For example, see here 2 into 3 is equal to 3 are 6 only. Then 3 into 2 it will be also product is same. Means what? Here I change the order of the numbers. First two numbers what he gave, what we multiplied the two numbers, I interchange the place values, I change, then the product it will be is a same. Then this property we will call is a order property. Okay, next one, grouping property. Grouping property means what? See, the product of three numbers, if we are multiplying remains the same even when grouping of the numbers is changed. See means what? 3 into 4 into 5, 3 into 4 into 5. See children, first I took the grouping numbers are 3 and 4 I took. In the first one, in first line I took grouping numbers are 3 and 4. Then in that second grouping numbers are I took 4 and 5. See here 3 4 are 12 into 5, 3 into 4 5 are 20. See 12 5 are 60, then 3 20 is 60. See whenever we are changing the grouping also the numbers should be the product is a same. Like this property we will call is a grouping property. Next one, multiplicative of 1. Multiplicative of 1 means multiplicative property. See, multiplicative property of 1 means whenever the product of any number, the product of a number we are multiplying by 1, the product of a number and 1 is the number itself. Means what? See, we are multiplying any number with 1, we will get the same number itself. Means what? Same number. What we took the number, that value is same. See here 8 into 1. 8 into 1 means what? We are taking multiplicand place is 8, multiplier is 1. See with 1 we are multiplying 8, but the product is itself. What the number is? 8. 8 means what? We got the product. It will be both are equal means what? Those are itself. Okay, when the number it will be, we are multiplying in with 1, the product is a same. One more example, see children, 7 into 1, 7, 1 into 9 is equal to 9, 1 into 12 is equal to 12, 100 into 1 is equal to 100. Whenever we are multiplying into 1, we will get the product is same. This like this property we will call is a multiplicative property of 1. Any number you can take it. See here 29 into 1, we will get the 29 only. Itself number we are getting. Same number. What we multiplicand we do, the product is also same. Like this property we will call is a multiplicative property of 1. Okay children, next one. Next, multiplicative property of 0. Multiplicative property of 0. See, we are multiplying any number with 0, the answer should be always 0. Okay? We are multiplying any number with 0, the product is 0 always. Means what? 2 into 0, 0. Okay? See here, 2 into 0 is equal 0. 3 into 0 is equal 0. 10 into 0 is equal 0. 20 into 0 is equal 0. 80 into 0 is equal 0. Okay, 100 into 0 is equal to 0. 28 into 0 is equal to 0. 67 into 0 is equal to 0. 98 into 0 is equal to 0. Like this, whenever we are multiplying the numerical number with numerical number and 0, we will get the should be compulsory product is always 0. This property we will say is a multiplicative property of 0. The process we will say it will be, see here, a into 0 is equal 0 into a is 0. Here a is equal, always we have to take one numerical number. Any numerical number we have to take a value. Okay, a into 0 is equal 0 into a is equal 0. This like property we will call is a properties of 0. Okay children, next one, distributive property. Next property is distributive property. In the distributive property, what I will say, I will explain here distributive property. Distributive property. See children, in this distributive property we are we are using multiplication symbol and addition symbol. See, this property full form a into b plus c is equal a into b plus a into c. Means what? See children, small example I will explain. We are taking, one person took one banana, one person took one banana. See, here is banana is a. Okay, here two persons are there. Okay, one banana, how to distribute that? Means this we have to share banana to these both. This is one person, this is another person. Here which one is a is a banana. Okay, this person, this is a third person. Is equal means what? Third person. Means what? He is sharing, distributing banana to these both. Okay, this person is equal. The person name is equal. Is equal person is distributing banana equal, half he cut and he gave to B person and C person. Means see here, A is a banana. A banana he gave to B. Again here plus symbol is there. Means what? Why you are taking plus symbols? Means what? How many persons here? Two persons. That's why we are adding. Here person separate, here person separate painter. In this total two persons are there. Here, but here also we need two persons now. That's why here in between two persons addition symbol apply. Here one person is there, here one person is there. After eating banana also how many persons are there? Two persons we will get. That's why addition symbol will be. Okay, see here A here equal person he gave to banana, half banana to B person, equal person half banana he gave to C person. This means what? It will be is a distributive property. See for example 2 into 5 plus 4. See children, here 2 is a like banana. 2 is a like banana. We are distributing to 5 and 4. 5 person and 4 person. Now first what we have to take? 2 into 5. Here how many persons are there? 2 persons are there. Take it place 2 into 4. See 2. Here first to apply 5 plus 4 is a 9, so 2 5s are 10 plus 2 4s are 8. See 2 9s are 18. Here 10 plus 8 it will be 18. See before distributing, after distributing also product is a same. Like that's why this is, we will say it will be is a distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, one more time I am explaining C1 children's properties of multiplication. First is the order property. When two numbers are multiplied in any order, two persons are multiplied in any order, the product remains is the same. Means 2 into 3 is equal to 6, 3 into 2 also is equal to 6. This is the first property. Second property, group property. Grouping property means that the product of three numbers with the grouping, it will be last product is a same. Whenever we are, it will be last final product is a same. In this grouping property, we are taking three numerical numbers. Next one, multiplication property, multiplicative property of 1 means if any number we are multiplying with 1, we will get the itself number. Product it will be is a itself number. This is, we will say, multiplicative property of 1. Next one, multiplicative property of 0. In that, if any number we are multiplying with 0, the product it will be always 0 only. Whenever we have product, it will be always, it will be is a 0. Okay, next one, distributive property addition. Distributive property means what? Just now I explained, like banana, one banana they are distributing two persons with the same equal parts, like that only it will be, we will consider as the, like this we will distribute the same. Okay children, this is the properties of multiplication. Okay, thank you children.